to Pomona. Take a look around, see what's for sale today. Thank you for joining me. Sit back and enjoy. That was pretty well done. I like that. That's real cool. If you're familiar with this swap meet, it's the largest on the West Coast. It's been going on since 1975. And they have a whole area dedicated for just Volkswagens, Porsches, Audis. Very warm here today, so there's a lot of people here early trying to beat the heat, get in and get out. If you're in the market for a Volkswagen, this is definitely a place to come. There are some that are overpriced, but some that are real good deals too.
This one's 82. Yeah, this is 71.
Not bad, not bad.
Everything else, if you notice, no lights. Doesn't have the lights up here. You'll have all the low lights and all the stuff in the back of the same. This one's super complete. This one, the negative again is this and a little on the rest of the floors. That's it. This one has pretty much no rest. This one except a little bit, and this is filler. That would just take some filler right there when you take off the sand it down.
Definitely a couple hundred Volkswagens here. I mean, if you look back, there's rows and rows. At least 6, 7 rows. Quite a few yards down the strip here. These are too cool.
You can't. It's just there. Push the button, raise it up. Should bring the sound system on. Two batteries.
Early today, so they're still coming in.
60 pounds. I got it one piece at a time, and it didn't cost me a dime. You'll know it's me when I come.
This one's for Sean at the Scale Model Car Guy channel. Tons of cool VWs here, bro. I knew the guy who had that car. Yeah. It's been many years ago, but you got your O.J. Simpson, A.C. Cowlings, 92 Bronco here. Nice 59 Buick. Check out this Duster. Yeah, that's sweet. Never seen this before. Looks like it's got the original stripe. That's real cool. Again, most of these are West Coast cars where you won't see any rust. If you do, it's just a little bit like that. I think I've seen this one before. I just love that color though. That thing looks nice. Let me remind you, if you're watching this video a month or so after it's been released, don't bother calling these guys because it's probably already been sold. So just be mindful not to disturb them. And it's probably safe to say, serious buyers only, please. Still rolling in. So here's our friend David Cruz. Let's see what he's got here. Feel free to contact me or him if you see something you like here.
Oh, there you are.
Hey.
Okay, so what's your number again? 951.
No.
33-5755.
I'm just gonna call us.
It's good?
That's a good idea.
knows me. Just want to
Okay.
make it's a nightmare, you know?
Yeah.
What was he trying to sell them to you first? He was trying to get $20, $25 to get from me. And I go, no way. You know what I mean?
Yeah, I thought 30. He said it was 12.50. I should check them.
They don't need their rent.
There's room. Yeah. I don't have one. Oh, I do have this variant up there. Look at that. Yeah, sure do. I don't even know what I got. Yours?
Yeah.
That's in my box. Until I see green,
Now,
brother.
is this oh, yeah.
I see green. Oh, yeah?
Yeah, it's high school.
Where was she at?
Pardon me, I'll switch.
Okay.
But I'm glad that,
Yep.
yeah, not this one. I would not.
Yep. Yeah, that's it. 450. That's good. What he came to. How you doing, Joe?
All right, how you doing?
Yeah, it's still sealed inside.
I'm sorry about that. There's another one, Galaxy, I want to see here. I want to bring everything down.
As you can see, he's got some cool stuff at good prices. So go ahead and pick one up.
Huh?
That's good.
Yeah, they're 14. Hey, oh, you want to get that guy? Okay. What I got on? $3 just like the old days. So what you got? 20 and 30. Did you get your bank?
No, I got one of those. All right.
That's 60 Impala, and he's got 60 El Camino right there. It's pretty good. Those are hard to find.
Yours.
No, man. Thank you.
Oh.
So here's another seller. He's got some new stuff and old stuff. I mean, like this is pretty good. Look at that. It's got 80. Still sealed. A lot of big rig stuff. Over here he's got some rare kits. I want to do that one of these days. So if you see something you like, just reach out to me and I'll come out here and see if I can find it for you. You don't have a number to contact, but just let me know. My number will be down below. They're still coming in. And this is for Rick at Rusty Motors. This is real clean. Got a little pinhole right there, which is still better than usual. Not bad, not bad. I'm sure it has some body work in it. It looks like it's got some fill. Still a nice clean car. Cloth bent seat. Looks like the original plates. Not a bad car. You got this El Camino. A little bit of everything out here. I know I keep saying it, but it's true. You'll see anything out here that you want to look for. Where do you ever see these? I know this is 83. You don't ever see these anymore. If you don't see them in California, you're not going to find them anywhere else. Celine. Those are getting pretty rare too. Nice show special. Get that. That is too cool.
Does it still have a warranty? Is the warranty gone? Just ask it. Got the tail light warranty.
only in Pomona.
I know this fool's gonna see.
You might have bigger swap meets in other areas, but you're not gonna find this level classic cars, especially in this good a shape. And these are all cars coming in. Considering the heat, it's a pretty big turnout today. Nice old Pontiac. That's a clean old Chevy. .454 SS. Grand National. S10 Blazer. Even a basic Chevy pickup truck. They're getting hard to find. Look at the green on this guy here. Hopefully you see this. That's beautiful. That's nice. Chop top. You could basically just stand here all day and watch the cars go by. Especially when it's time to leave. I had a Camaro like that, same color. When it's time to leave, there's a big, huge line to get out. You get to see everything. As you can see, there's a big, huge line still coming in. I'm going to jump through here real quick. This is really nice. This is all motor right there. Then you have the lowrider clubs. They always show up in force.
That would be miserable.
VW is cool. It's really nice. She looks like an all original. And this side's been repainted, redone. Not bad. everywhere you turn, there's cool stuff. So you can't catch everything.
I did this with the best one.
He's the one that did Holland when I got there, no?
Yeah.
Yeah, I've been coming out here since '88. And every time I come out here, there's always different stuff. Seen this before, but I love it. Real thin red pinstriping throughout. Very tastefully done.
He was expecting way better cars, more cars. Did you see that?
So I try to bring what you guys are asking for. You guys want to see more swap meat material? See a little bit of everything out here.
Austin, okay, buddy. I'm gonna call King and deal with it. Okay, we got you're on the back end of the list, you know.
No, I can't. He finds out I come, he'll chase me down.
Because when I came down here, I had to come down to interview. Down here, there's
Can't even get baby shoes out here. It's like, why do you come out here and sell baby shoes? It's not the place for that. Usually we find the better deals over here. You tell me, is that a good deal or not? Probably not. Ooh, boy, look at this old auto. I love these cars. I'd much rather spend the money on something like this than a newer car. $14.50. I mean, where else can you get a car for $14.50 these days? Especially something that has a cool factor like this. She's sweet. Probably a 70. No information on it. Thank you. Done really nice. She closes good. He says he's won 90 for it. And it's won multiple awards for tripod. I bet he'll be willing to negotiate. Check those out, sticking out of the hood.
Two for 130 or that good?
It's probably a 2005, but you know.
Pero, you know who was in? I don't know if you met the little guy. No.
Oh, yeah.
So every time I come out here, this guy's always set up here. He's got a lot of cool model kits at a pretty decent price. Some newer, some older. If you're new to my channel, thank you very much for watching. As you can see, I'm into model cars, so that's why I always stop and take a look at the models. Still looking for my headliner material. Usually it sets up around here somewhere. I haven't seen him, but I'm sure he's out here. Well, there's music coming up, so let me come back to you. So I always try to avoid the music so I don't have to go through and do a bunch of editing to edit out the music. So that's why you see me kind of cut in and out every once in a while.
I want to see what get up, see what.
Those are real cool trucks. There's a lot of people here today, considering it's really hot. I gotta say, if you're looking for wheels, this is definitely the place to be. Whether they're stock, reproductions, or custom. You can often get wheel sets with tires, everything. Pretty good deal. And they're always willing to negotiate. Old Chevy wheels, Chevy truck wheels, custom exhaust.
I just sold the springs for $200.
Old car ads. By the way, I sell a lot of old car ads on eBay. And I have a lot that I do not have listed because there's just way too many to list. But they're all in mint or near mint condition. No yellowing, no frays, no tears. Oh, we got model kits. And then we got some more over here. I smell deals. I don't know this guy. I don't know what his prices are. But I'll find out.
They were telling me, you know,
say stuff to me about how I was. I don't really sing. I just want to do it.
That's strength. That's not weakness.
Check this out, guys. Look at
I
that
was
weather.
looking at this door over here, and that model. Look at the kind of.
Uh-huh. It's a whole art in itself.
I mean, unless there's another model. You got it.
He's nice.
He did a great job, man. If that's all he did, this was built, but all these have just like painted bodies.
So let's take a look and see what he's got down here. Let me give you the deal on this. This is a guy that bought an estate, and these were in the estate, so he's out here trying to sell them. He's never been out here before. He's not a regular seller.
I guess I'm ready. Okay.
So if you see something you gotta have, contact me, and I'll reach out to him, and we'll work something out. Got a lot of cool stuff. So reach out to me if you see something like. I think the pricing is going to be pretty decent. This is why I come out here to find scores like this. So he don't know anything about these. He don't know who painted them, but obviously this guy was a painter. Stuff looks really good. If you're familiar with the show, you know there's a big Corvette section. Nothing but vets. I'm not gonna spend any time in here today, but this one caught my eye. She's beautiful. Nice paint job. She's done right. Yeah, that one's nice. Look at that glare. That's nice. Really? Well, let me go ahead and take this opportunity to say thank you for joining me today. I hope you enjoyed it. I did. A lot of cool stuff this time. Look at this old Packard. 31 Packard. Pretty cool, huh? These guys just come out here and just hang out, cook, drink, enjoy a good old day here in Southern California, and hang out with fellow car enthusiasts. So I actually saw this one on the freeway a couple years ago, and I haven't seen it since, and I never got to see it except for on the freeway that one time. Isn't that cool? He actually drives it. Alright. I could really spend all day out here. I'm going to be wrapping it up soon. It's just getting a little too hot. And I'm trying to talk over music so I don't have to edit. And I can keep rolling. So I usually don't talk during my videos, and I try to keep quiet. Sometimes I talk. This is one of my older videos. Really nice car on that. And it's story to go along with it. But she's clean. So I tried to bring you some swap and cars. Again, that's the Pomona drag strip there. So you have at least a quarter of a mile of cars here per row. So this is like a walk-along video. You see what I see. So I saw this one last week at the LA Roadster show. Kind of reminds me of Mark Badson's model car. If you really want to check out a good channel, go check out Mark Batson, Hobby Dude 007. Real cool guy and a real cool model builder. That's real clean, really nice. And you got a 40 here. This out, old Datsun. You definitely don't see these. I know you're saying, why are you looking at this old Datsun when you got this guy standing right here? Nice tripod. Nice old Ranchero for sale. It's a nice 71, 72 Coupe de Ville. 66 Impala. That could be done. Not too bad. Got a 59 up there. Needs some work. 4-door, Probably just a parts car. Looks like all the parts have been robbed off of it, so. Those have really gone up in value. Real nice 62 here. Black with the red stripe. That's really sweet. Look at those rims. That's nice. So much cool stuff. Well, the heat is about taking everything out of me, so this is gonna be it for real. Another big thank you. Hope you enjoyed it. Go check out the people I have linked below. If you don't mind, hit a like and a subscribe for me. Really appreciate it. I do this for you guys. I figure since I'm down here in Southern California, I bring this stuff to you. See you in the next one. Thanks.